Anem a La Llosa, punt d'immersió proper a la costa, que és un petit gran espai.
We drove through rain in borrowed cars, shared motel nights beneath.
La Llosa és una zona rocosa, al mig de la sorra, formada per canals, parets, blocs, arestes, esquerdes, forats, amb molta vida. Una zona plana a 8 metres de profunditat i una profunditat màxima de 20 metres.
Just to stay near to. We built a life out of small things. Coffee spoons and guitar strings. Left when the lights went out downtown. Hearts beating loud, but no one made a sound. There were nights I almost told you, mornings I nearly did, but something about the silence felt like love we never hid. We almost said it, but we lived it instead. In all the little moments, in the words we never said, we carried love like a secret flame. Never loved, never tame. We almost said it, but it burned just the same. From empty rooms to neon signs, we held our ground through every climb. Your hand in mine when the world was cold. A quiet bond that never had to be told. There were glances that could have spoken, but we chose not to begin. Maybe silence was the answer, where a whisper might have been. We almost said it, but we lived it instead. In the late night highways and the tears we never shed, we walked through fire without a name. No confessions, no one to blame. We almost said it, but it burned just the same. Maybe love don't need a vow to prove it ever stayed. Maybe not saying it out loud was the most honest thing we made. We almost said it, but we breathed it like air. In every shared silence, in every quiet stare, it never needed to be proclaimed. It lit us up, it left its flame. We almost said it, but we loved just the same. I forget their name. Street lights blur through window panes. The city's loud, but I feel so small. I reach for something, I can't name it all. People pass, they never see 100 hearts, but none for me. I smile at strangers, walk alone, even in crowds. I'm on my own. This city's too big, and I'm just one soul trying to find where I belong, where I feel whole. So many hearts, none beat like mine. Maybe love's just hard to find. I've tried the bars, I've walked the park, shared small talk just to fill the dark. But something real